Good morning everyone. Now in this video class we will learn about the different types of chemical reactions. As you know, different chemical substances react with each other to form new substance, but the mode of reaction is different for different substances. Different substances combine with each other in different conditions, and so there are number of types of chemical reactions. These different kinds of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reaction, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, and precipitate reaction. Now today we will learn about one by one for all these different kinds of reactions. So let us start first the combination reaction. तो बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इस क्लास में सबसे पहले फर्स्ट combination reaction के बारे में. As you know about it, different kinds of chemical reactions and one of them is combination reaction. When two or more substances combine with each other to form a single product means single substance, then it is called a combination reaction. Then it is called a combination reaction. Suppose two different substances, it means two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen, both combine with each other. Hydrogen and oxygen, if react with each other or if combine with each other, they form a single product, and that product is water here. So, reaction between hydrogen and oxygen is categorized as a combination reaction because only one single product is formed. Let us take another example. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide both are compounds, both combine with each other to form a single substance called calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So it is not necessary that the reacting substances are only elements. Substances may be they combine with each other to form a single product, may be compound also. Element and compound also combine with each other to form a single product. So a type of reaction in which two or more substances combine with each other to form a single product or single substance is called combination reaction. Suppose let us take another example. Carbon C, when burns in the presence of oxygen O2, it reacts with each other to form carbon dioxide. Here, reacting substances are two substances. First one is carbon, second one is oxygen. They react with each other to form a new substance, and new substance is carbon dioxide. So, carbon and oxygen reacts to form carbon dioxide is also a combination reaction. तो इसमें आप देखें अगर कोई भी दो केमिकल सब्सटेंस आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं और रिएक्शन के बाद अगर एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है तब ऐसे रिएक्शन को कहा जाता है कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. सपोज हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन दो अलग अलग एलिमेंट्स हैं, इन दोनों में आपस के रिएक्शन से एक नया सब्सटेंस बना वाटर H2O और ये एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस बन रहा है प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में, इसलिए ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन का एग्जांपल है. लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. Also suppose calcium oxide, a compound reacts with another compound like carbon dioxide. These two react with each other and to form calcium carbonate. So this reaction is also categorized as a combination reaction. अब हम लोग इसके बाद पढ़ेंगे दूसरा टाइप का रिएक्शन. So let us take the definition of the next chemical reaction first, and then we will see some examples also. And the second kind of reaction is decomposition reaction. Number 2, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the reverse of composition reaction because in composition or in combination reaction two substances combine to form a single unit, but in decomposition reaction a single substance splits up or decomposes to form two or more substances. And so decomposition reaction is the reverse of composition reaction. Now, so take the definition. If a substance decomposes into two or more substances, then it is called under the decomposition reaction. So a type of chemical reaction in which a single substance decomposes to form two or more than two substances is called a decomposition reaction. Now let us take an example. Potassium chlorate, KClO3. Here it is a compound KClO3 and it is potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate. When potassium chlorate is heated, here we use the sign of delta, not a triangle. It is used for heating the substances, and here it is indicated as delta. To put a sign of delta means to heat the reacting substances, and that substance is potassium chlorate. So when potassium chlorate is heated, it splits up or it decomposes to form two new substances, and that substances are potassium chloride and oxygen. Here 2 KClO3, 2 KCl plus 3O2. Right? We must write a balanced chemical equation. So here 2 KClO3 on heating are split up into 2 molecules of potassium chloride and 3 molecules of oxygen. A single substance, potassium chlorate, decomposes to form two different substances as a product, potassium chloride and oxygen. So this kind of reaction is called decomposition reaction. Let us take one more example. Silver chloride, AgCl, splits up to form Ag and chlorine, Cl2, 2 AgCl, 2 Ag plus Cl2. When AgCl is exposed to sunlight, then it decomposes to form silver and chlorine. तो इसमें ध्यान से देखना है, जैसा कि फर्स्ट में कहा गया कि इसमें रिएक्टेंट्स को, सब्सटेंस को हीट किया जा रहा है। सेकेंड में अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा कि इसको सनलाइट में रखा जाता है, सनलाइट में, तब इसमें स्प्लिटिंग होता है. बट नाउ लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल एंड सपोज NaCl, sodium chloride, and when electricity is passed to the solution of sodium chloride, electricity, it splits up into Na and chlorine. So here we will see the three different kinds of decomposition reaction. In first, when substance is heated strongly, it decomposes to form two or more substances. When a substance is exposed to sunlight, then it also decomposes to form two substances. For example, sodium chloride, when exposed in sunlight or kept in a sunlight for some time, then it decomposes to form silver and chlorine. In the same way, when sodium chloride is subjected to pass through electricity, then it splits up to form sodium and chlorine. So there are three different kinds of decomposition reaction, and if a splitting or decomposition of substance takes place due to heating, then it is called thermal decomposition reaction. So you have to know about it. It is thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. So if a substance on heating decomposes to form two or more substances, then that kind of chemical reaction is called thermal decomposition reaction. But if a substance decomposes in the presence of sunlight, then this kind of reaction is called photolytic decomposition reaction. So here decomposition of sodium chloride is of this category and it is photolytic. Lytic decomposition reaction. And now decomposition of sodium chloride, it is the third type of decomposition reaction. So if a substance decomposes to form two or more substances on the passing of electricity, then it is called electrolysis. So decomposition of sodium chloride is the example of electrolysis. Decomposition reaction. इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. तो अभी हम लोगों ने इसमें देखा कि डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन एक ऐसा रिएक्शन है जिसमें कोई भी एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस दो या उससे अधिक सब्सटेंसेस में डिकम्पोज हो जाता है, उसे कहा जाता है डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. बट देयर आर डिफरेंट मोड्स और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. कुछ सब्सटेंस ऐसे हैं जो हीटिंग से डिकम्पोज होते हैं, कुछ सब्सटेंस ऐसे हैं जो सनलाइट में डिकम्पोज होते हैं, और कुछ सब्सटेंस ऐसे हैं जिसके सॉल्यूशन में से अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो कराया जाए तब डिकम्पोज होता है. और इसलिए तीन कैटेगरी का डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है. उसमें से एक जो हीट के कारण स्प्लिट कर रहा हो, थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन, एंड सेकेंड in which decomposition takes place due to sunlight, उसे कहा जाता है photolytic decomposition reaction. And third one which takes place due to flow of electricity or passing of electricity is categorized as electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition reactions. So अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा इसमें तीन तरह के decomposition reaction के बारे में, and let us learn more about third reaction, and that reaction is displacement reaction. तो अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इसमें तीसरे नंबर का रिएक्शन, और वो होगा डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. In 8th class, in previous class, you have learned about activity series of metals in which more reactive elements displaces less reactive elements, and this is the kind of displacement reaction. So third kind of reaction is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. A reaction in which highly reactive element, it means metal, displaces less reactive element to form new substance is called displacement reaction. Is called displacement reaction. Is called displacement reaction. For example, when zinc reacts with copper sulfate solution CuSO4, here zinc reacts with copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate. After reaction, here zinc is highly reactive substance because zinc is placed in higher up in the activity series of metals. So zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. इस कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में से जिंक के द्वारा कॉपर को डिस्प्लेस कर दिया जाता है, कॉपर को हटा दिया जाता है और खुद जिंक कॉपर का पोजीशन ले लेता है. So copper is displaced by zinc because zinc is highly reactive than copper. So zinc displaces copper in copper sulfate solution and forms zinc sulfate. तो कॉपर इससे अलग हो गया और जिंक सल्फेट नया सब्सटेंस बन जाता है. एंड जिंक सल्फेट हियर इट इज जिंक सल्फेट. Zinc sulfate. Let us take one more example. Aluminium aluminium sulfate Al2SO4O3. Here it is aluminium sulfate, and if aluminium sulfate reacts with sodium, in this reaction sodium is more reactive than aluminium. So sodium displaces aluminium from aluminium sulfate and form sodium sulfate Na2SO4 and plus Al. अब इसे हम लोग बैलेंस करके ही लिखेंगे. तो इसमें Al2 है, 2Al, सल्फर का 3 है, इसमें 3 लिख दें. अब 3 2 जा 6, सोडियम 6 है, then 6Na. So if aluminium sulfate reacts with sodium, then sodium sulfate is formed with aluminium. यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है कि सोडियम एल्यूमिनियम से अधिक रिएक्टिव है. So sodium displaces aluminium from aluminium sulfate solution and forms a new substance, sodium sulfate. So this is a kind of displacement reaction. So a kind of reaction in which highly reactive substances displace less reactive substance to form a new substance, then it is called a displacement reaction. And let us take another fourth kind of displacement reaction, and that reaction is double displacement reaction. So देखें चौथा kind इसमें double displacement reaction. As you know about it, or as the name of the reaction suggests, double displacement reactions, it means displacement reaction takes place 2 times, and we can say that exchange of ion takes place in this reaction. So fourth kind of reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. And a chemical reaction in which exchange of ions take place is called double displacement reaction. Is called double displacement reaction. For example, when sodium sulfate Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, reacts with barium chloride, BaCl2. It is barium chloride. So here these two are reactants. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 reacts with barium chloride, a compound barium chloride. After reaction, or it means during the reaction, two different substances are formed, and that is sodium chloride and barium sulfate. Sodium chloride and barium sulfate. Here in these two, Na2SO4 and BaCl2, sodium displaces barium and barium displaces and sulfate displaces क्लोरीन. तो यहाँ पर देखें कि आयन एक्सचेंज हो जाता है. एक्सचेंज का मतलब हुआ एक से दूसरे में ट्रांसफर हो जाना, और ऐसे कंडीशन में उसको कहा जाता है डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. So Na2SO4, it seems to be barium is displaced by sodium to form sodium chloride, or sodium is displaced by barium to form barium sulfate. It means exchange of ion takes place between these two compounds, sodium sulfate and barium chloride, and so this is a kind of double displacement reaction. And one thing is also noted here, that barium sulfate is a white precipitate, white PPT. Here PPT indicates precipitate, और इसी कैटेगरी के आधार पर हम लोगों ने एक नेम भी रखा है precipitate reaction. So a chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed during the reaction is called precipitate reaction. And what is precipitate? Precipitate is an insoluble solid substance formed during the chemical reaction. किसी chemical reaction के क्रम में अगर कोई भी insoluble solid substance का formation होता है तब उसे precipitate कहा जाता है. And so here barium sulfate is white colored insoluble solid substance that is found in the mother liquor formed during the reaction, and so it is also a kind of precipitate reaction. तो याद रखेंगे इसमें कि exchange of ions takes place between two substances or two compounds to form a new substance, then it is called double displacement reaction. And in a chemical reaction, an insoluble solid substance is formed as a precipitate, then it is called precipitate reaction. So reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride are of two categories. First, it is under the double displacement reaction, and second under the precipitate reaction. तो बच्चों आज हम लोग यहाँ तक पढ़े. नेक्स्ट क्लास में अगली बार हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बाकी के बचे हुए केमिकल रिएक्शंस के बारे में, जिसमें रिडॉक्स से शुरू करेंगे, एंडोथर्मिक एक्सोथर्मिक के बारे में. टिल देन गुड बाय.